In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make custom Google Keep headers so you can personalize your notes in just a few minutes. First, let's open PowerPoint, which is a versatile tool not just for presentations but also for creating custom images. Once you have PowerPoint open, click on the Design tab. Here in the Design tab, you'll see various options that we can use to create our header. Next, navigate to Slide Size, which you can typically find in the upper right corner of your screen. This option allows us to customize our workspace to better fit the type of header we're creating for Google Keep. Click on it and then select Custom Slide Size. Here, you want to adjust the width and height of your slide. A common size for a Google Keep header might be about 1000 pixels wide by 200 pixels high, but feel free to adjust this to suit your personal preference. Now that we have our workspace set up, it's time to add some text. Choose Insert from the menu, select Text Box, click on your slide, and type in the text you want for your header. This can be anything: your name, a motivational quote, or a topic title. Be creative. Once your text is in place, let's move to the Shape Format menu. This is where you can get really creative by utilizing word art styles to format your text. You can choose from different styles that add flair and uniqueness to your header. Explore the different font styles, colors, and effects to make your text pop. After you're satisfied with how your header looks, it's time to save it. Go to the File menu and click Save As. It's important to save your header as an image, so from the drop-down menu, select PNG. This ensures that the image retains its quality and can be easily uploaded to Google Keep later. Name your file and save it in a location where you can find it easily. Now let's head over to Google Keep, open your browser and navigate to keep.google.com. Once you're there, start a new note by clicking on Take a Note. Next, you'll want to add the image you just created. Click on the Add Image icon and upload the PNG file you saved earlier. This will now appear as the header for your note. For a bit more customization, you can click on Background Options to change the note's background color. This helps in making your note visually appealing. Finally, pin your note at the top for easy access by selecting the pin icon. Once done, remember to click Close to save your changes. And there you have it, your very own custom Google Keep header. Just a few simple steps and you'll have